In this video, I'll show you how to use Global Ask Anything in JUMP to quickly surface insights across your clients, meetings, and connected systems right when questions come up. Global Ask Anything, or GAA, gives you fast, intelligent access to insights across your firm's data. It works across all client meetings, CRM records, financial planning tools, email, and tasks, all within JUMP. So instead of digging through different systems when something comes up, you can just ask. You can access Global Ask Anything from anywhere in JUMP by clicking the Ask Anything button in the top right corner. The panel opens without taking you away from your current page. Just type your question. The more specific you are about the client or situation, the better. GAA pulls from your JUMP meeting notes, connected CRMs like Salesforce, Wealthbox, or Redtail, financial planning tools like eMoney or Right Capital, connected email accounts, and workflow data, so the answers are grounded in your firm's information. It also remembers context within the same conversation, so you can ask follow-up questions naturally. Throughout the day, questions come up. Maybe you're on a call and a client references something from a prior conversation. Maybe you're updating a record and can't remember what changed last quarter. Instead of searching across systems, you can ask. Now it's checking tasks and CRM updates, giving you a quick snapshot of what's still open. GAA can surface and summarize recent communications, whether they're meetings, CRM notes, or connected email, so you can quickly reorient yourself. Notice I didn't restate the details. GAA remembers the context of our conversation and builds on it. Global Ask Anything helps you reduce friction between systems and get clarity faster without interrupting your workflow. It brings the information you already have into one place, so you can get answers in seconds. The next time a question comes up, try asking GAA.